Okay, so it says the first term of an arithmetic regression is the number 1. So I'm going to write that down. So A1 is the number 1. And the sum of the 6th and 10th terms, I'll write this down. So A6 and A10. So the sum of the 6th and 10th term is 37. Find the second, third, and fourth terms. Well, I got a struggle over here. My struggle is, how do I figure out what the D is in the problem? That's my first thing. So I want to point out that A6 is the same thing as A1 plus 5D. That's what A6 is. What's A10? Well, it's A1 plus 9D. And what does it equal? 37. But let's write this down. A1 is just 1, and I got two A1s, so it's 2, plus 14D equals 37. 14D equals 35. D equals 35 fourteenths. I'm going to reduce that. 7 goes into 14 2 times, and it goes into 35 5 times. So the D is 5 halves. So if A1 is 1, that's the same thing as 2 halves. I can start writing down the other terms they want. They want the second term, so it's A2. Well, I just take the first term and add 5 halves to it, so it's 7 halves. A3, well, I take A2 and just add 5 halves to it. That would give me 12 halves. A4, and again, they want the second, third, and fourth. And the fourth one would be 17 halves. Now, granted, my suspicion is they're going to reduce the 12 halves to 6. The other ones are fine now. All right, let's take a look. And A2 is 7 halves. We did okay with that. A3 is 6. We did okay with that. And A4 is 17 halves. We do with that. Good with that. All right, I get periodically mention things to you. My name is Ron Bannon. If you need to reach out to me, my email address is Bannon. That's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. And why would you want to reach out to me? Well, I don't know, maybe you have a comment about what I'm doing. Maybe you have something to share. Maybe you see an error. Whatever. All right, if I'm not overwhelmed, I'll certainly get back to you. All right? Now, certainly, what I mean by that, if I'm overwhelmed, I can't get back to you. But if I'm not overwhelmed, I'll get back to you. Thank you.